Every physical retail store is governed by a simple, unavoidable constraint. The moment that gate hits the floor, your ability to generate revenue drops to zero. Even during business hours, your growth is capped by the speed of manual labor, the time it takes to handwrite an inventory log or process a single order over the phone. When geography limits your customer base and the clock limits your hours, the traditional retail model reaches a ceiling it simply cannot break through. Many business owners attempt to bypass this by setting up a basic, static website. But a site that isn't integrated into your operations often adds more work. Every online inquiry still requires a human to manually check the shelves and type out a confirmation. Notice the data path here. Without a direct link between the interface and the database, a customer's order effectively hits a dead end. By bridging that gap, every click from the user moves directly into your storage node in real time. Moving beyond a mere web presence requires an integrated ecosystem designed to replace those manual steps with automated data syncing. From the customer's perspective, this looks like a frictionless storefront that works just as effectively on a smartphone at midnight as it does on a desktop. Maintaining that attention requires technical precision. Sub-second loading speeds and an intuitive layout ensure that users stay focused on your products rather than the interface. Look at the difference in retention here. A multi-step checkout creates friction that drives users away, while a one-click sequence allows them to complete a purchase before they have a second thought. High-quality imagery and responsive design build the necessary trust for a customer to enter their credit card without a salesperson standing in front of them. This engineering turns your website into an unassisted sales engine that generates revenue while you sleep. But a spike in sales is only a victory if you can actually fulfill the orders. Without a way to manage the volume, a successful storefront can quickly overwhelm your staff with a mountain of paperwork. A high-converting front end requires an equally intelligent backend to keep your operations from collapsing under their own weight. This is managed through a centralized administrator dashboard, the private command center where you oversee the business. Here, inventory management is a matter of clicks. When a shipment arrives or prices change, the update is reflected across your digital storefront instantly. In this model, you can see the automation in action. Every time a customer makes a purchase, the system automatically deducts the item from your stock and updates your demand analytics without you touching a keyboard. Because the system handles the record keeping, the risk of overselling an item or shipping the wrong product is almost entirely removed. This provides you with an objective view of your sales trends, allowing you to make inventory decisions based on hard data rather than intuition. This backend architecture provides the structural integrity needed to process hundreds or thousands of orders with the same accuracy as a single sale. When customer experience and administrative tools are perfectly synced, they form a continuous feedback loop. Your backend data automatically populates recommended items on the front end based on actual stock. This loop drives new sales back into the database, managing thousands of simultaneous global transactions. This automated coordination enables smart upselling, pushing average order values higher with every transaction. You've effectively built a digital version of your best salesperson, one that works 24 hours a day and never misses a detail. The real return on this investment is the ability to step away from day-to-day manual tasks and focus on your long-term business strategy. A disconnected physical store has a hard ceiling on its revenue. A custom-engineered digital ecosystem completely removes it. Partner with an architect who can build a growth engine tailored to your specific operations. Transitioning to an integrated e-commerce architecture is the step that allows your business to move at the speed of the modern market.